Occasionally you might find you want to create an additional account on your computer so someone else can use it separate from your own account, or you just want to create an additional account for doing other things. Like I have a video user account here I use for making videos. And in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Windows account management. Start by clicking the Windows button. You can go to Settings, and then click the Accounts option right here. And you can get to it from Cortana as well by clicking Cortana and then in the search type Account, and then Manage Account. Take you to the same place. Over here in the left in the sidebar, Family and Other People, go ahead and click that. I don't want to add a family member because I'm not interested in managing what websites they can access or controlling any other elements of this account. I just want to add a standard account, so I'm going to click Add Someone Else to this PC. It's going to want access to a Microsoft account, which I don't want to create for this account because it's only temporary. I'm just going to go ahead and click I don't have this person's sign-in information. They're going to want to create a Microsoft account, and I'm just going to add a user without a Microsoft account. Go ahead and click that. And this is going to be test user. Security question number 1. What's your pet's first name? Oh, Spot. Security question number 2. What's the city you were born? Timbuktu. Security question number 3. Childhood nickname? Marbles. Okay. So now I have a test user local account, and I can log into that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so once the account's created and you log into it for the first time, this is pretty much the screen that you get. I'm going to go ahead and close this. This is Microsoft Edge, the web browser. And I do not want to set up OneDrive, but you can if you do have a OneDrive account. But I have access to some of the primary programs, the programs that I at least installed for all users. That's why when you install a certain application, if you ever notice, there's an option to install for just yourself or for all users. If you install it for all users, then when you create new accounts on your computer, those other people will have access to that program. But here is my new test user account, and a number of the programs that I've installed are available for me. I should probably right click and go to, I believe, Personalize and Themes, and go down here to the bottom and Desktop Icons, and I want to go ahead and turn on Computer and Users Files. Click OK, close that, and here's my test user home directory. I go in there and I have access to all the primary folders that come with a home directory. You might recognize these: music, favorites, downloads, documents, the desktop folder of course, and pictures. Yeah, there's pictures. So if we go into desktop, you'll see some of the links that were created for these main programs that are installed. Anyway, that's how you can create an additional account for your computer for someone else to use or for your own use, for just to keep certain work items or whatever it is you're trying to do separate from your primary account. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. Click subscribe if you want to see more. Also, make sure you check out the website www.the-nerdcave.com and tell your friends about me. I'd love to hear from them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.